Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law in Oxford University. Begin by organizing reading lists and creating a weekly timetable that prioritizes core cases and statute reading. Focus on active reading, note-making, and summarizing legal principles after each session. Join study groups and seek feedback from tutors to test your understanding. Schedule regular essay practice and past paper reviews to develop exam technique and timing. Set a consistent academic routine that balances deep reading, tutorials, and assessed work. Prepare tutorial submissions with clear arguments and supporting citations, and use feedback to refine your approach. Allocate specific blocks for past paper practice, timed essay writing, and revision to build speed. Maintain reflective notes to track mistakes and strengths, and adjust study tactics every term to stay aligned with tutor expectations and exam demands. Hone practical skills like case briefing, statutory interpretation, and academic writing for a competitive Oxford law experience. Use college and Bodleian libraries, online databases, and accepted textbooks to support your arguments. Practice structuring essays with introductions, roadmaps, and concise conclusions for clarity. Attend workshops on citation, legal research, and moot skills to expand practical competence and confidence ahead of assessments and interviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.